Start your school journey today by downloading the IQdigit mobile application from either the Play Store or from the App Store. Now say goodbye to complicated login processes. With IQdigit application, students and parents can easily access their accounts by entering their registered contact number. Once you're finished, be sure to keep up to date with the notice board's latest updates about pending fees or other notification. With the help of the alert module, students and their parents can receive significant alerts on this application. The activity module on this app provides a simple way for parents to access information about significant events, including parent-teachers meeting. This app's homework section allows parents to check their children's homework list and keep track of their progress. By using this app, parents can view their children's attendance status, including whether they are present, absent, or on leave. This application test and assignments feature allows parents to check their child's test and assignment report, keeping them informed about their progress. Keep track of your academic progress effortlessly. Our application marks and grades module enables students and parents to check students' examinations marks easily. Power yourself with the ability to pay your child's fees on the go. With our apps fee module, parents can pay fees easily and conveniently from their mobile phone. Stay up to date with your child's fee payment history. Our app's receipt module allows parents to check both past and current receipts effortlessly. Never forget your friend's birthday again. Our app allows students to easily check the birth dates of their friends. Teachers' personalized notes can be easily accessed by students and their parents through the study material module. Both parents and their children can effortlessly view the day-wise timetable for regular and live classes with timetable module. Keep track of important dates and never miss an event. With our app's calendar module, staff, students, and parents can easily access and view all upcoming important dates and holidays. Our app's circular module allows you to easily check details regarding transport, date sheets, assessments, and more. Our app's registration module allows new admissions to quickly and easily submit their online application forms. Voice your thoughts and concerns easily with our app's feedback module. Whether you have a general inquiry, want to learn about admissions or job opportunities, or have a suggestion or complaint, we're here to listen. Our application help module is here for you. Our support team is available to quickly resolve all of your queries and concerns. Furthermore, whether you decide to use the IQdigit application, the application is flexible enough to be customized according to your needs.